Hi there, I'm Adam Dovile and welcome to Selleys Suburban Gold, where we take pre-loved items and upcycle them from old to gold. Today I'm going to show you how to upcycle a dated Tallboy with a retro Palm Springs feel. This Tallboy I picked up is in really good nick, but the style is a little bit outdated. I've got a really good idea to refresh it and give it a new lease of life. For this project, you will need some Selleys sugar soap, some quick grip water-based, Araldite 5 minutes, hardware, thick wallpaper, and a roller. You can see that I've started to sand this Tallboy, and the next step will be to give it a good clean with some Selleys sugar soap. This is the fun part where we get to completely transform this Tallboy. I'm going to be using this wallpaper to give it a retro Palm Springs look. To apply this wallpaper, I'm going to be using quick grip water base because even though it goes on white, it becomes clear when you're ready to join the two surfaces. And as wallpaper can be a little bit fiddly, it's easy to clean up any excess product with a rag and some water. To complete the look, I've decided to add some new hardware. And to save mucking around trying to put screws in, I've decided to use Araldite 5 minute. It dries quickly and doesn't need clamping, and it's a strong option that lasts. And there you have it, our Tallboy is looking fun and fantastic. Now it's your turn. Search Selleys Suburban Gold for all the details, tips and tricks for your next upcycling project. It's amazing what you can find to restore. And once you complete your Suburban Gold project, tag at Selleys ANZ and hashtag Selleys Suburban Gold.